Chiara Lubick once wrote of these words, "Of Mary we do not speak, of her we sing, of her we do not think, but we call upon her and love her." She is not the subject of study, but of poetry. Today we celebrate her who is uniquely called full of grace. At ang nagpaganda sa kanya ay hindi mga palamuti na kumukupas. What makes her all beautiful is the grace which the Father has given her to be conceived without any stain of original sin. It is sin that makes us ugly. Kasalanan ang nagpapapangit sa tao. Maaring hindi natin magaya ang kawalan ng kasalanan dahil tayo'y mahinang nilalang. Manalangin po tayo na kahit paano, unti-unti, kahit may struggle tayo, ay magbago. Ikaw, handa ka na ba sa challenge ng honest to goodness conversion? Pray to the Immaculate Conception and she will intercede for you. G ka ba?